In this video, I will show you how to customize columns in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. Next, on the left side of your screen, pop out the menu list and make sure you are on your campaigns board. At the upper part of your campaigns board, you will see the menu bar with the columns Performance. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear where you can choose how your data is displayed. You can select from categories like delivery, setup, or engagement to view specific performance details. You will also notice some popular presets such as performance, performance and clicks, and video engagement, which show the most commonly used data combinations. If you scroll further down, you will find more customization options where you can select exactly which metrics you want to appear on your dashboard, giving you full control over how you want to view your ad results. And that's how to customize columns in Meta Ads Manager.